What a bargain. A 2-bedroom apartment here in Dubai, Creek Harbour, 1,150 square foot. This is the property. It is vacant, it is brand new, and check out these views. I mean, look, this is what it's all about, right? Where can you get a 2-bedroom for this price with water views and a park view which is just opened, brand new, massive balcony, and I just am really in awe of this property. It's a little bargain, so it won't be here long. So if you're watching this video, check out what date I posted this to make sure that it might or might not still be available. So this is your lounge, dining area. You've got your kitchen here, and as you can see, all the cupboards and everything are built in. You have to bring in your white goods. So that was back to the front door around that corner there. And then here we have the lounge. So we've got bathroom, toilet 1, okay? And then this is bedroom 2 here, and you've got built-in cupboards here as well. And then if you come through to the master bedroom here, really spacious actually. So this is the bedroom, and you've got a slight, you've got lots of window out to the water and the park when you wake up, which is lovely. And then you've got built-in cupboards here, like a little kind of separate dressing area. And then you've got the bathroom. So you've got his and hers bathroom with sinks, and you've got a shower and a bath and a toilet. So this is a very good deal for a 2-bedroom, brand new Emaar, Dubai Creek Harbour with a water view. I cannot get you better than this anywhere. So get in touch with me, got the keys, we can view it right now today. And for those of you investors out there, this would be ideal to put on the short-term rental market, especially just before the FIFA World Cup and the Formula One. So get in touch.